The art of listening. This practice sounds easy, but it is not. I'll tell you how to put it in practice in your day-to-day life. So when you are talking to someone and you have this urge to talk back or to reply, stop yourself. Do not reply. First observe what is arising, what thoughts are coming inside you, and tell yourself in the beginning that stop and let this person finish their sentence. So that's level 1. When you let the other person finish their sentence, then level 2 would be let them finish the chain of their thought. I'm talking not just about the words, like their sentence has finished in terms of world, in terms of physical. I want you to understand if the chain of thought is finished in their mind. Wait, pause and listen. Is this person has to add on to what he has already said? And level 2 is like not an easy thing to achieve, because in level 1 you will find your mind talking back to you. I know this answer, I can reply, I can give an counter argument. So these kind of counter arguments and not listening to the other person, first of all it keeps us in the realm of the ego. The ego is like quite fat here. We want the ego to slim down. If you want your ego to slim down, listen to the person, let them speak, let them talk whatever they want to talk, and do not let your mind control you, because your mind will come up with thoughts like, oh, let me say this to him or her. You will see a profound change in terms of your own sadhana, your own practice, because spirituality is something which is not just reciting mantras and sitting in meditative postures. It's about getting spirituality in day-to-day life. How do you inculcate or integrate this spiritual practice in your daily behavior and in your daily life? So when you do that, your patience level will increase, and the other person would feel heard, that there's someone who listens to me, who does not talk back. So most of the people will start to respect you, they will start to get attracted towards you, and you have this responsibility now to take care and to hold space for them. Nobody is holding space for anyone. And the next level is in the art of listening, because I'm just talking about, first I talked about the physical level, then the mental level. Physical level we have words, mental level we have thoughts. We have to tell ourselves, no, stop, let this person finish. And then there is, your ego will push back. Your ego will say, I am holding space for them, I am listening to them, but they are not doing that for me. So that, remember, with the awareness you will know this is your ego talking to you. Their response is their responsibility, not yours. If they are not letting you finish your sentence, it's their responsibility, it's their life, not yours. You need to hold space for yourself, you need to have patience for yourself and for others as well. Because if you are getting awakened on the path of spirituality, this is the huge responsibility that you have to bear for others. You have to have compassion for them. And once you have compassion, then you can hold more space, then you become less of yourself and more of that which is omnipresent. And the level 3 is just to listen, sit and listen wherever you are. I am in front of the ocean right now. If I can just close my eyes, or not just close my eyes, or keep my eyes open and just listen like a little infant, how a little baby listens without labeling the sound, because it doesn't know. So do not label the sound, even if you are sitting in a room or in a traffic or traveling or anywhere. Just listen. Do not label the sound as good or bad. Do not say, okay, this is the fan sound, this is the traffic sound, somebody honking, or this is just the ocean. No, just listen. If you can sit and just listen, you will come back into your being, your beingness, the present moment. And this is where you need to be.